This tutorial will demonstrate how to spin articles, spinning at the paragraph and sentence level. We're going to spin the article through the Best Spinner program to get it spun at both the paragraph and sentence level. So let's begin. First, you open the Best Spinner using your login email and password. Let's move this a little bit out of the way so I can still see. When you open the Best Spinner, go to the Super Spinner tab and click on Launch Super Spinner. Now, in the Original tab, you're going to copy and paste your original article. Be sure you use a text editor such as Notepad as opposed to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office has a lot of markup and coding that you don't want. You just want a plain text editor, just like Notepad. And also be sure in Format, you have Word Wrap turned off. Now you just want to select all of your text, copy, and then paste it into the original tab. Now click on the Paragraphs tab. Now for each of these lines is one paragraph and or heading. For example, this is the heading, Top 5 Budgeting Questions Answered. And this is the paragraph that begins with budgeting has negative connotations. And then the next line is the header, how much should I set aside for investments? The first step is to select the headline of the article, Top 5 Budgeting Questions Answered. And for this single line, since it's not a paragraph, you only spin at the paragraph sentences. So click this button. And now you're spinning the sentence as opposed to the paragraph because there's only one line to spin. To add new versions of this, to spin into this, click Add Sentence Rewrite. So now we're going to write a whole new version of this line, Top 5 Budgeting Questions Answered. And this is going to be original rewrite to be completely different but staying on topic. Then to get a good spin, you'll want at least 3 to 4 spins. And this is spinning at the sentence level for the headline. Now once you have your versions, unique versions, put into the Best Spinner, just click Close. Now go to the first paragraph. With a paragraph, you're going to want to first spin at the paragraph level. To do that, click on Add New Paragraph Rewrite or the green plus sign. And then it opens up a new window right below that, and you want to type an original paragraph right here. To save a little bit of time, I've gone ahead and rewritten that, and I'm just going to simply paste that from my text editor. And paste it in here. Same rule applies. I'm only going to demonstrate 1 or 2 of these rewrites, but you'll want a good 3 or 4 for each paragraph. So you come in here and you rewrite this paragraph and this window using all original words. So it starts off in the first paragraph, budgeting has negative connotations. And then the second one, I rewrote it completely, just with the same idea, but completely different wording. Now to add the third and fourth one, the procedure is the same. You'll come up and add new paragraph rewrite. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to paste more text in, but you do want each of these windows to have original rewrites of this paragraph. So you put your text here, and then you see we have 3 paragraphs. You'll want original paragraphs of rewrites of this paragraph. Now, you'll come up and do the sentence spinning for the next headline. For each of these, you'll want to rewrite each line with 3 or 4 versions. So let's demonstrate this one when deciding how much you should put aside to save or invest. Add new paragraph rewrite. And here we're simply spinning at the paragraph level this. And again, I'm going to come in and paste what I've already rewritten when it comes to budgeting. That's how I rewrote that paragraph. Copy and paste it in. And to add a new paragraph rewrite to this original paragraph, you'll just click Add New Paragraph Rewrite. And again, you want to rewrite an original paragraph in the third one as well. Now, you might have noticed that I got an error message when I tried to spin at the sentence level for this headline right here. If that happens, you can spin at the paragraph level instead and treat it like a paragraph. So I'm just going to spin this going, how much should I set aside for investments? And then I can add a third rewrite to that. So you see we have 3 paragraph rewrites on this original line. Now, we have each one of these have paragraph rewrites. Now, we want to go through and for the paragraphs, put in sentence rewrites. So to do that, you simply go into each of the paragraph rewrites and click this Spin Paragraph Sentences button. A window will pop up, and then each sentence in that paragraph is treated individually by giving you a drop-down menu here. So the first sentence is here. You just click this button to add a sentence rewrite at this level. And usually 3 2 to 3 sentence rewrites, or 3 to 4. You want to at least have a good number of sentence rewrites. And here you'll notice that I put 2 sentences instead of the 1 sentence up there. That's actually a good thing. You want to vary the amount of sentences that it takes you to write the same idea, both at the paragraph and the sentence level. That gives it more originality in the final product. Now, when you have written the first one, you'll want to go through and do the same procedure for each of these steps, each of these sentences. So each sentence, each paragraph is going to have alternatives, and then each sentence is also going to have alternatives. So you'll go through and do that sentence rewrite, do this sentence rewrite, and do this one. Now you'll go through and do that for each paragraph at the sentence level. So now you scroll down and press the spin paragraph sentence and spin at each sentence level. Go through that and do it for each paragraph, including the drop-down menu up here where you set each paragraph up here and spin at the sentence level in each paragraph. Now, when you've done each paragraph and each sentence spin, and you press the spin button, you're going to end up with a complete article spun at both the sentence and the paragraph level. When you've completed that task, to get the article out of the super spinner, copy to clipboard, then you can open up a new notepad document, and in this new document, paste in the article. Now the completely spun article is pasted into Notepad. Now you can simply save the article in a directory that's easy to find for you, with the date on it. This is March 15th, 2013. And I put spun article because that's what I'm doing, but you'll want to put something relevant to the topic, such as budgeting, and then March 15th, 2013. Then save, and that's it.